VeChain and VeChain Thor combine many business processes and logistics tracking using QR codes and blockchain technology to verify and track ingredients and shipments with the Internet of Things and distributed ledger technology. VeChain is a cryptocurrency system dedicated to supplying blockchain and logistics needs. VeChain software works as a part of the VeChain Thor blockchain platform designed to improve real-world supply chain management and business processes. This real-world utility gives it an intrinsic value outside market fluctuation. The primary goal of VeChain is to make these processes and information flow more efficient for multifaceted supply chains through the procedure of distributed ledger technology, DLT. The public blockchain includes both the VeChain token VET and the VThor token VTHO, where the former is used to convey value across the system, and the latter is used as energy to influence smart contract trades. This one-of-a-kind, two-token system substantially assists in the separation of blockchain usage costs and cryptocurrency market speculation. VeChain VET was one of the first blockchains built exclusively to cater to the needs of enterprise-level clientele. The developers behind the project seek to improve supply chain and product lifecycle management through the use of distributed ledger technology DLT. Importantly, the platform offers users a variety of new functionalities that make it ideal for businesses seeking to enhance supply chain protocols and business protocols. VeChain blockchain expects to be an IoT intermediary. By using the smart contract features of VeChain, users can track, possession, and control quantities of merchandise. Similarly, crypto usage has enabled companies to track goods and services by embedding the unique ID in a QR code on the said goods. Several companies related to quality assurance have started adopting blockchain-driven solutions due to ease of use and expenditure. Short for quick response, QR codes are a type of barcode easily readable with digital devices like smartphones. They store information as a series of pixels in a square grid that can be read in two directions, top to bottom and right to left, unlike standard barcodes that can only be read top to bottom. Blockchain technology is amongst the leading crypto system used for specific purposes by organizations worldwide. VeChain has improved product traceability and verification through the use of QR codes. The VeChain network has significantly demonstrated a meaningful alteration in the worldwide economy due to the combination of DLT and IoT aspects. For example, developers have employed DLT to enhance product lifecycle management and supply chain protocols. Distributed ledger technology DLT is a protocol that enables the secure functioning of a decentralized digital database. Distributed networks eliminate the need for a central authority to keep a check against manipulation. DLT allows for storage of all information in a secure and accurate manner using cryptography. Likewise, the Oracle defines, the Internet of Things IoT describes the network of physical objects, or things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools. Additionally, it offers companies an opportunity to trace a large quantity of data, and furthermore, the merging of DLT and IoT has enabled companies to blend centralization with decentralization, thereby providing users with high-quality speed transfer, flow, transparent flow information, and efficient collaboration. Merging the IoT and DLT has helped make a sizable influence on the supply chain industry. The adoption of both technologies has comprised all smart devices and networks used worldwide. In a nutshell, DLT and IoT enable large quantities of data from one user to another. Many compare VeChain Thor technology to software as a service, or SaaS. VeChain technology provides transparency through traceability. According to an August 2021 article by Cision, VeChain is targeting the multi-billion-dollar Chinese pet food traceability market using industry-leading blockchain technology. The blockchain technology has enabled pet food manufacturers to resolve their biosecurity issues and quickly bring the health concern under safety control through truthful traceability of the constituents, able to provide proof of pet food ingredient claims by telling a brand story in a Trestles manner that is unable to be replicated by any other solution in the market. Furthermore, the blockchain offers transparency and has demonstrated the evidence of the pet food ingredients, which other market solutions cannot imitate. Likewise, VeChain offers collectors a method to verify their items, such as NFTs, sports cards, etc. The QR code enables companies to prove the origin and validate the product's ingredients. As a result, it increases the efficiency of a business's internal distribution chain, but it also prevents possible damage to the organization's status during recalls, as increased data traceability allows the company and relevant authorities to track the problematic quantity of products, which increases consumer trust. Finally, let's talk about 3 main advantages of VeChain. 1. VeChain is built for business. Like other cryptocurrencies, VeChain states that its aim is to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem platform to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfers. Pretty generic, I know. Most cryptocurrencies exist for the purpose of collaboration and high-speed value transfers. However, it's the way VeChain allows for information flow that's enticing to many crypto investors. A number of use cases are listed on VeChain's website for users to view. Many of these involve the ability of end users to track their products and conduct quality assurance using VeChain. Well, via utilizing VeChain's blockchain and assigning a unique ID tied to VeChain blockchain and VeChain Thor, companies can track goods and services by embedding this ID in a QR code on said product. A number of quality assurance companies have begun to switch over to using blockchain-driven solutions due to lower costs and ease of use. VeChain is among the leading crypto networks used for this specific purpose. Among the examples on the website is that of a fresh dog food manufacturer based out of China. By using VeChain's blockchain traceability functionality, the company is able to provide proof of pet food ingredient claims by telling a brand story in a Tressel's manner that is unable to be replicated by any other solution in the market. 2. This isn't just some small-time operation VeChain is running. VeChain has really gained traction with its tried and tested blockchain as a service model. Indeed, a number of high-profile partners have emerged using VeChain's blockchain to streamline its supply chain. Amongst the biggest customers or users of VeChain's blockchain technology is Walmart. In 2019, Walmart announced it would be partnering with the VeChain Foundation to streamline product management between its suppliers, stores, and customers using its blockchain network. This partnership would be specifically for Walmart stores in China. Indeed, crypto investors bullish on the ability of cryptocurrency networks and blockchains to provide real value and innovation within the economy can certainly point to VeChain as one of the leading cryptocurrencies in this regard. 3. The merging of IoT and DLT technologies is a big catalyst. VeChain has been perhaps the most successful case study in how meaningful innovation in the global economy can result from the combination of a distributed ledger technology DLT with an Internet of Things IoT adjuvant. Indeed, as far as the integration of crypto blockchain technologies and physical goods, VeChain makes one of the best arguments that we are indeed entering a new dawn. The IoT market is one with absolutely enormous growth potential, and it's still in its infancy. The potential for VeChain to be integrated with various IoT technologies for solutions far exceeding the supply chain management niche currently utilized by companies on the VeChain blockchain is incredible. There are a world of opportunities for companies to streamline their operations and become even more productive using the VeChain network. Chinese companies have, perhaps unsurprisingly, been first to jump at this potential technological revolution. QR codes and the IoT space is a much bigger deal in China than it is in the US. However, it's a pretty easy argument to make that if companies are gaining real, measurable efficiencies using VeChain capabilities, that this blockchain revolution could go global in a hurry. The fact that so many high-profile users of the VeChain blockchain have seen meaningful business improvements suggests that there's a tremendous amount of value. Accordingly, VET, the native token of VeChain, should theoretically increase in value in accordance with the intensity of use and desirability of the network. VeChain, like many cryptocurrencies, is capped at 86.7 billion. All tokens have already been minted. Accordingly, investors banking on VeChain are making a bet that capital inflows into VeChain via additional partnerships and increased use will drive up the price of VAT. Overall, there's a real strong argument to be made that VeChain is a cryptocurrency powering a network with some revolutionary potential. Of course, risks related to any cryptocurrency investment exist. Investors should remember to forego putting all their eggs in any one highly volatile crypto basket. That said, VeChain is certainly an intriguing basket to consider.